Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I made a video about CCIV last night, hoping to hear something about the merger today. As you can see, it had a great run up here today, and it's kind of got me wondering, so I started doing some research about it. I kind of forgot about this one today, got busy at work and watching some other stocks, and noticed this one, and it had quite the run up here. And was just starting to wonder what was going on with it. If you wonder what this one is, it's the SPAC merger, possible merger with LUCIDMOTORS. Go ahead and watch my other video. It kind of goes into a deeper dive. I was just wanting to do a quick one here, but it's got a $7.14 billion market cap. And I'll go ahead and link the other video in the description. I came across this CCIV stock as the Reddit rally lifting shares ahead of a LUCIDMOTORS SPAC merger, and so it kind of makes me wonder. As you follow my channel, I'm sure you've all heard about GameStop and AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, BlackBerry, Naked Brands. I've done videos on all of those here in the last couple days. You can find those in the library. But CCIV stock is up more than 10% today. Could Redditors be behind the rally? So it's kind of got me wondering. Investors are watching for Churchill Capital and LUCIDMOTORS to confirm their SPAC merger. But that is not stopping CCIV stock from rocketing higher today. Although there is no clear reason why, a Reddit rally could be part of the answer. So what do you need to know now? For the last several weeks, CCIV enthusiasts have been hoping and praying for merger news ever since the Bloomberg report. One of the top stories on Wall Street has been the potential LUCIDMOTORS SPAC merger. LUCIDMOTORS promises to disrupt Tesla. And you follow my channel, I've made several Tesla, Neo, Xpeng, GM, Ford, a bunch of EV videos. Ideanomics, with its luxury electric vehicles. It also is far along with its first EV, the Air Sedan, and just beautiful cars. Go ahead and check my other video. Deliveries will begin later in 2021, so could be any day. Hopefully don't have to wait until December to find out, but should be sometime here soon, hopefully. Although investors have moved mountains in the absence of merger confirmation, taking CCIV stock to higher of a $27.30, things have been starting to slow down. Last week, talks of merger delays hit shares. According to the latest reports, a new production facility in Saudi Arabia could slow talks down. However, public investment fund governor Yasser seemed to restore some hope last week. While talking on CNBC, he told David Faber and that LUCIDMOTORS is ready to take the next steps as a company. Those steps, something like a private placement, IPO, or SPAC merger, investors largely saw his response as a subtle hint that information would be coming soon. But without any information, what the CCIV stock up more than 10% on Monday. So it's got me wondering, but that's why I started looking it up. And as you can see here, the next phase of Reddit rally. So it's really got me wondering. So just to keep the video short, you can go ahead and pause that and read it for yourself. And this is just kind of a look at Yahoo Finance, kind of on the run up today. Kind of went up and then dipped and just kind of climbed the rest of the day. So kind of interesting day for the stock, even with no news. Here I see a lot of threads talking about CCIV. Robinhood blocking, and I mean, that's going to continue to go on. So if you're looking for a different platform, I have several links in the description. Feel free to help yourself. Webull, Moomoo, they're all pretty good platforms. I always show Robinhood here on the channel, but I'm starting to fade out of it, I think, with all the Robinhood talk. So here's some more information that I found today. GameStop day traders are moving into SPACs. So-called blank check companies are a hit with individual investors looking for speculative trades. And it just so happens the gentleman here is looking at his phone with a CCIV on it. So whether that be a coincidence, I think it is. But Mr. Prieto checks SPACs on his phone. I would just have a bad case of FOMO if I wasn't in SPACs, he said, and maybe that's what it boils down to also, is FOMO. But day traders fueling enormous gains in popular stocks such as GameStop, and also powering big swings for another suddenly hot investment, so-called blank check companies. Special purpose acquisition companies, shell companies planning to merge with private firms to take them public, are rising more than 6% on average on their first day of trading in 2021, up from last year's figure of 1.6%, according to University of Florida Finance. Before 2020, trading in SPACs was muted when they made their debut on public markets. Now shares of blank check companies almost always go up. The last 140 SPACs to go public have either logged gains or ended flat on their opening day of trading, per a Dow Jones market data analyst of trading in blank check companies through Thursday. 117 in a row have risen in their first week. The gains tend to continue on average, generating bigger returns going into few months. And so just very interesting information, so it almost makes me wonder, and of course there's nothing here on tip ranks, but that's pretty much all that I could find, but it really makes you wonder if Reddit is getting ready to rally up this SPAC for hopefully what we will find out in regards from Lucid soon. So that's it. Like I said, I made a CCIV Churchill Capital video last night. It had a lot of views. I was hoping to see some action on it today, or an announcement, but didn't really find out anything. So that's it for tonight. If I find out any other information, I will definitely let you know. If you could go ahead and hit that like button for me, that would really help out the channel, as well as subscribing. About 10% of you are only subscribing. 10% of the people that watch the videos are subscribing. Go ahead and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. And highlight the bell so you know when the next videos come out, so you know what's going on with CCIV and everything else that I go over. So I'm kind of diversified on the channel. I'm into green, EVs, solar, MJ, kind of everything. So I have a lot of different interests. So again, this is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I thank you for watching. I thank you for all the support. Happy trading, happy investing. Stay green. Cheers.